Hi everyone, in this video we will configure a web server in Cisco Packet Tracer. I will create a simple network. I will add one PC, one switch and one server and connecting them together. Before we can access the server, it needs an IP address. I will configure the IP address for the server 192.168.110 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now I will set the IP address for the PC. Both devices need to be in the same network so they can communicate with each other. Now I will configure the server to be a web server. To do that, we need to enable the HTTP service first. The server already has a default web page, but we can also customize it. I will put this text into the default web page, index.html, and then press save. Now I will test to see if I can access the website by entering the server's IP address. Click on the PC, desktop, web server, and then we type in the server's IP address 192.168.110. As you can see, the web server received our request and sent the web page back to the PC. Right now, we can access the website using its IP address. But remembering IP addresses isn't always easy. So instead, we can use DNS to translate a domain name into the server's IP address. Click on the server, going to Services tab, click on DNS, and then we turn it on. Now we need to create a record that connects our domain name to the IP address of the web server. I will create an A record. I will call our domain name www.apexnet.local and the IP address. Then we click on add. Whenever we request www.apexnet.local, the DNS server will return the IP address. Before the PC can use DNS, we need to tell the PC which DNS server to ask. So we go to desktop, IP configuration, and in this part, we enter the IP address for the server 192.168.110. In this example, the same server is running both the web service and the DNS service. I will do the final test now. I click on the PC, web browser. I will type in our domain name. The PC first sent a DNS request to find the IP address of the domain name. Once it received the IP address, it can connect to the web server and request the website. Thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comments which network service you would like to learn about next.